first, I would like to start with the introduction. Could you
Yes,
please
sure.
introduce yourself in nutshell, if you don't mind?
Yeah, sure. It will be my pleasure. My name is Susmita Kaushik. I belong to Assam. Currently, I reside in UP, and apart from my qualification, I have done master in education. I have done PhD, this is a computer course also. And nowadays, I have been learning this language for 1 year. And apart from my hobbies, I like play badminton, cooking, reading books, and talking to people. That's all about me.
Yeah, quite phenomenal. I would like to say that you have introduced yourself in such a better manner. I would like. Okay, so now this time
Thank-
is mine to break the.
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
So this side Lalit, and I come all the way from Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my district, so particularly I come from Bulandshahr. And it's been 7 years I have been working in private organizations. And if I talk about my YouTube journey, so I have recently started a YouTube channel as well by the name of Ingnets India. And I upload some conversation videos out there only. And if I talk about my core of interest, so I also like to communicate with the people, and I like to change the, I like to exchange the thoughts with them as well. So this is all about me.
That's
Thank you.
that's great. Very good to know about you. You have
Yeah.
changed a lot, so you got improvement, when I talked with you earlier, and now I have seen that you are putting
No,
lots of hard
actually,
work.
yeah. It's been long time. I have been striving to gather the information about this language, and I have been trying to, implement them on myself as well. So if
Hmm,
you are able to see some changes in myself, it means that I'm on the right path, right?
definitely, definitely you
Yeah,
are.
I also have been witnessing some changes in yourself as well. So once I had conversation with you, that time I was finding you different in a different personality, but now this time you are much confident as well as you are able to express yourself in such a better manner. As I said to you in
Thank
your
you.
introduction as well. So I'll
Okay.
praise you later on. First, we are supposed to
Yes,
yeah,
track.
into the
We
session.
should come on track first of all, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah, okay, let's talk about advertisement. We
Yes.
already have been decided this thing that we are going to break the ice on advertisement today. Okay, so
Yeah, please.
so as per my opinion, if someone wants to grow his business in a great manner, like if I
Hmm.
want to grow my business internationally, so I'll have to go to an extra mile to think about that particular business, that how can I implement new ideas and strategies to make my business develop up to the international level. So what I would do in that particular thing, I would gather some information about my products, those who are, those information who are very helpful for the people, those who are looking for those kinds of products. Like if I have a medicine, if I know the uses and if I know the medicine, like effect of medication, how can I give that medication to the patient. So what I would do in that particular thing, I would use some generic name to
Hmm.
advertise, to market that particular product. There are thousands of medicine in the market. Like there is a very famous and very common medicine, that is Dolo. Everyone knows about that. Like this
Yes.
medication comes in the market. So why everyone
Hmm.
knows? Because there are thousands of medication of paracetamol, but everyone knows that Dolo is for fever, because the company have advertised that particular product by the name of Dolo. That this is very generic name. Now, if someone goes to the medical store and he wants to purchase that particular medicine, so he would directly say to the to the retailer that I just need Dolo.
Yeah.
Nobody would ask. Nobody would ask like that, that I just need paracetamol. But everyone knows that there is a like a salt in that particular medicine, paracetamol. But we are not asking for the paracetamol. We always are asking
Okay.
for the Dolo, right?
Okay.
And
Yes. That is the
one more thing I
familiar
would like
name.
to,
Yeah, please.
yes.
Yeah.
So this is very common thing that is very famous in market. And if I talk about like what I understand by the name of advertisement, so there is a similar word for this advertisement, like marketing. Like if we are just doing the marketing of something, like if we want to grow our profile on YouTube, and if we are just purchasing the marketing kind of strategies on the YouTube. So it means that we can grow our channel little early as compared to the others.
That's
So
yes.
yeah, advertisement is helps us to, advertisement helps us to grow our business, grow our anything, our
Anything, yes.
personality, I would say. Yeah, if we are advertising ourselves that we are that I'm the CEO of this company, I'm the CEO of the Google. So that time other person can, oh, this is advertising, like he is advertising himself and he is the CEO of that particular company. It happens in the market generally.
Yes, yes. They want to sell this and they want to make the product familiar in front of people. So that's how their business will be grow. Advertisement is required to grow their business, isn't it? Otherwise, no one will know about, don't know about the product's name or what they works, what's for we need to use it. Like if I
Yes.
don't know the soap, unique soap, if you don't know about this soap, then how will you buy it, right? You will not familiar with this. If you see again and again this soap in a advertisement, then people obviously think that let's try once, right?
Yes.
So that's how they will try, and if they feel good this product, then definitely they will buy again,
Hmm. And
isn't
one
it?
more thing I would like to add on. No, no, if you are just advertising of your products, like if you are just advertising your shop, that yeah, and you set up some holding out there on the roadside or something, or online website as well, so people won't find like lot of impediments while finding your product. Like they will
Mhm.
be able to find your product, they will be able to find your location as well if
Yes,
you
honest.
have advertised in a great manner. Like if I talk about online, so many websites are being ran now these days, like Amazon, Flipkart, and many things. What they are doing now these days, if the season of Diwali is coming, so they just put the Diwali sale.
Diwali sale.
And
That is for a long
yeah.
time they do advertisement, right?
Yes,
They
yes.
advertise
So
for a long time. Yeah,
even every
sale is
month,
going on.
yeah, even every month you can find different kind of sales are going on. Even we also
Yes.
don't know them.
Yeah.
Like these kinds of sales are going on, and how
Yes.
we are going to, yeah, how we are getting to know that they are advertising, because when we are using Facebook, Instagram, or any kind of social media application, so that time we are getting the ads, and this is called advertisement.
Advertisement. Yeah, that is the very irritable. Whenever we watch movie or anything on video, YouTube, that time we feel
Yes.
too much irritated about. Do you feel irritated whenever advertisement come while watching videos, or whenever you watch, very interesting video, very thoroughly this video, then do you feel irritated?
Absolutely. Even I was looking for a way by the help of that I can remove all the ads from my all applications, because now these days what is being done, if I'm using any kind of third party application, so on that particular application, whenever I'm trying to edit this video, like if I'm trying to edit this video,
Yes,
so that
yes,
time
yes.
it happens that I get lot of ads
Hmm. Even
while
I
saving
also.
that
How did
video.
you do?
Yeah, yeah.
How did you do it? I think you have to pay extra money for that, isn't it?
Absolutely. Yeah, yeah, it is. We
Yes.
have to pay extra money if we want to get rid of ads.
Get rid of
So,
ads.
and there
It's
is
from
another
YouTube
particular,
too.
yeah, yeah, there is another particular way you can remove the ads from third-party applications only. You cannot remove the ads from YouTube or any other application like that.
I think it's we can do from YouTube
Yeah.
too by paying extra money, and they are showing again and again. Do you want to remove the ads from your YouTube? Then you have to
Yes,
pay
yes,
extra
yes.
money, like a
This is
300,
also
400
called this is also called advertisement of
advertisement.
YouTube.
Yes, yes, definitely.
This is the strategy to make the people, yeah, to enhance the, the business. If we are not able to gather some money by advertisement, so it means that we are not following the great strategy in that. So YouTube is following great strategy. How? Because they have given this option that if you don't want to go for the subscription or go for the premium version of YouTube, so you'll have to bear every time ads.
Definitely. That is
Even if
the
yeah, if you're jumping one video to another video, that time you would get ads.
ads. Yeah. Every time. In the between of the video also we have to face lots of advertisement.
Yes, yes. And earlier I used to get like seconds of ads, but now these days I get 5 minutes of ad. Even the whole story, whole songs are in ad.
Yeah, the whole story they add. If we do not
Yeah.
skip, then we have to listen whole story about this thing, like a 4 minute, five
Yes.
minute, even 10 minute as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
And now being a YouTuber, I think we are also getting money from ads, isn't it?
No, actually, I haven't started getting money so far because
Okay.
I'm not like a lot of I'm not that much consistent at YouTube because it's a long time I couldn't upload any video on YouTube. But I have, as
Okay.
I told you, I have recorded session in my gallery, but I didn't
Okay.
get time to edit them, and that was the only reason I was not able to upload them on YouTube.
Okay. Yeah, even I also haven't uploaded video for a long time due to my baby was under the weather. So it's been I think 1 month,
Okay.
and twice and thrice video I have uploaded in a 1 month. But my channel has monetized,
Mm.
so that's why I'm saying that.
Congratulations from my side.
Thank you so much.
And from your, yeah, from your viewers as well.
Oh wow, that's great. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
on the behalf of all the people, I'm just greeting you that you are very fortunate that you have got your channel monetized as well. So congratulations from my side, and I'm
Thank
looking forward, yeah, for like next conversation with you as well because I always enjoy while having conversation with you.
Even I also, when I got
Yeah.
message from you on a group, then I thought, okay, I should grab this opportunity because I took, long bed and I need to
Mm.
motivate. And whenever I see your smile on your face, it motivates me a lot, right? I don't know
Me
why.
too as
I
well.
have talked. I have talked two
Yeah,
times earlier, right? So that time I
yeah,
feel so
absolutely.
motivated from inner side. I don't know why. I feel so thrilled to talking to you.
Yeah. Yeah. We should be very enthusiastic, whatever we are doing. Like if we are having this conversation, so we need to indulge ourselves completely in this conversation only. Sometimes we get some kind of some kind of disturbance while having conversation, as I got couple of minutes ago. So it is okay, but if you are just doing something impersonally, it means that you should be there physically and mentally. Then you can have that particular thing in a great manner. And if you're
Yeah.
just thinking that if you're just, faffing around your time here and there, you're just beating around the bush and you are not able to, represent yourself in a great manner, if even if you are not responding to other person. So that time it is just
It's
wasting
feel
the time.
monotonous. It's feel
Mm.
monotonous, and we definitely will not
Absolutely.
feel enjoy, right? We do not feel enjoy that time if you are not
Yes.
active on mentally or physically.
Yeah. So I would like to talk.
Which kind of advertisement you watched in your childhood that you can't forget?
Okay, okay.
You
So
haven't
what kind of
forget. You haven't forget so far. If there any special advertisement you have seen in your childhood.
okay. Okay, so in my childhood, actually, I would say definitely there was no huge advertisement that time. Actually, I am from 90s, so that time there was no huge marketing. But when I jumped into the 2000, so that time I found, advertisement of mobiles because that time mobiles were introduced first time in 2002 or something near about that time. So I was
Okay.
in the age of schooling that time. So I was just in like a seventh or eighth class. So that time I found that advertisement of mobiles were going on in trend. So
Okay.
that time I was also thinking that what kind of thing is this? Because that time we didn't know about the mobile, and in my family, my father purchased a new mobile that was of Nokia mobile. So that time I was thinking, and it was costing us an arm and a leg that time because that
Mm,
time the phones were very expensive. Now these days phones are very cheaper.
mm.
Now these days we are able to get the phone at the price of 7,000, 5,000 rupees as well. But that time we were just getting uh simple phone at the price of 5,000. So
Okay.
that time mostly the people were focusing on advertisement of recharge, mobile recharges as well, advertisement of
Okay.
mobiles. Yeah. Apart from that, there would be a lot of advertisement, but I just mostly focused on both the advertisement because only few companies were there that time, and only few mobile companies were also there. that time. So
Uh,
this is from my side about the advertisement. Like I watched, I saw these kind of advertisement in my childhood, and they still I remember them, and still I can whenever I'm going to the market, so that time I can find these kinds of advertisement still in the market.
Okay, that's great. Childhood advertisement was, little different type of advertisement. Like there was
Mhm.
some story type they used to do. Not like
Okay,
nowadays advertisement. Like I remember one advertisement I vividly remember when I was so young. That time one was toffee. I forgot the name of toffee. But whenever
okay,
people have the toffee, their
okay.
teeth automatically so like a light.
Alpenlibe
Oh
was very
yeah,
famous that time.
unbelievable. I forgot.
I used to take that. I used to take that when I used to go to school. So that time I used to get few penny from my mother, and I used to purchase that
Okay.
particular, that particular candy.
Yes, unbelievable. And whenever people used to have this kind of, coffee, their teeth so like light, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. So there were few candies were also there. Like first one was orange candy. I used to get
Oh,
16 candy at the price of 1 rupees, 1 rupee.
wow.
And
Okay.
yeah, there were some fish candy as well. I used to get again 16 candy at the price of 1 rupee. So I used to get only 2 rupees or 3 rupees like that from my home, not on daily basis even. On and off, I used to get them. So then I used to spend my that penny on just to purchase the candy. So I was
And
considering myself that yeah, very fortunate that time that I was able to get at least few rupees from my home.
yes, yes, really at the time we
Yeah,
used to feel
I
so
cannot
thrilled,
forget.
even
Yeah, I cannot forget those days where I used to live very tension free, very burden free. Now these days I find myself very bothered because I have a lot of things in my plate to do.
really nowadays kids are also not getting that this kind of environment, right? They are always they have to stay at home and they do not get this kind of environment, which kind of environment we used to
Yes.
get, right? Whenever we would get 1 rupees or 2 rupees, then we used to feel so thrilled at that time. And I
Yes.
vividly remember that when I grown up, after that also I used to ask from my parents, please give me 1 rupees. Even I had to, yeah, whenever I have to ask, I had to ask that please give me 10 rupees or 20 rupees to do something for school work or anything. I don't know why I would habitual to ask 1 rupees money from my parents. And after that
Now these
I
days,
would get realize that no, I don't want to 1 rupees, I need to 20 rupees or 15 rupees.
yes, yes. Or even now these days, kids are given at least 10 plus rupees. Those who are
Yes.
impoverished, they are also given 10 rupees to the
Oh,
from their parents.
simple things.
Yeah.
Yes, that is the normal things now. We do not think to
Yes.
give 1 rupees or 2 rupees. What will they buy?
Even we are not able to get even a single candy now these days.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
When I used to fly kite in my child, because it initiates a lot of excitement inside us when we
Yeah.
remember all those days. So because they cannot come back to us, but we can remember them, we can miss them, we can uh, talk about those days.
It's
So
memories.
this makes us very excited that
Really.
we did these kinds of things in our childhood, and this is completely astonished for me
Really.
still.
Really. It's can't
Yeah.
forgive.